Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this series. This is the second video of this course series, and if you are just stumbling on this video for the very first time, you may want to refer to the first video of this course series, which is going to be in the link in the description box, so you can get an overview of what we are going to be doing here for the next 3 months. Okay guys, so today we are going to be setting up our environment. We are going to be setting up our workplace or workstation, anyhow you may see it or whatever you may call it. We are going to be using two softwares. Whatever is your preference, you will just pick and stick to it. Alright, so I'm going to start with installing Figma first, and you can just do that by just typing Figma in your browser. Alright, so I'm just going to head up to their official website, which is www.figma.com, and I'm just going to click on get started. Let's see what they have for us started. I'm just going to allow cookies, or is this man is not going to allow us to do something? Alright, get started. Okay, so guys, you have to create an account with them before you're allowed to use the software, because mostly Figma is a web, it's more like a web application. There's actually a part you have to download the setup, but you still have to connect to the web to use it. It's not like Adobe XD where you just have to download the software, probably pay an amount or a token to use it, then you have it standalone on your device. But this is different. You have to actually create an account. Then even it also applies to Adobe XD too. You still have to create an account before using those softwares. So let's just create an account, and I'm just going to continue with Google. So I'm just going to skip this process so we won't waste time doing this. Okay guys, so when you are done, this is how the whole setup is. It's very much easy, just like logging into Facebook, creating an account, then logging in, then boom, you have it there. So it's just going to be an easy. I've already created an account with them, so all I needed to do was just to log in. So in most part of our course series, we'll be working with the Figma. So to test this out, I'm just going to click on new design file, and let's see what will happen. Alright, it's loading. So the speed of Figma on your device will be solely dependent on how good your network connection is. So I suppose I'm just going to click on the frame, and let's pick a frame. Let's say iPhone 14, and okay, we already have this. So you can see Figma is actually installed on our system, and this is nice. Let's pick a rectangle. Let's just test things out. Okay, let's change the fill color. Alright. So I'm not just going to save this. So we can see that Figma is actually working perfectly, and it's nice. So we're just going to head on to the installation of Adobe XD right now. So guys, you want to go to the most preferred browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome. Then type into the search bar, that's the URL section, www.getintopc.com. And if you notice, there are a lot of softwares you can get on this website for free or cracked. Then go into the search section and search for Adobe XD. Then click on go. Then you will get a lot of results. Adobe XD spanning from different versions: 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017 too. The more you look for. So just click on Adobe XD CC 2022. Then I'm just going to take away this annoying ad. Then if you scroll down a bit, you can look at the overview of it. It's a very lightweight program for me actually, and it works pretty well. So just have to read the details if you want. The setup size is actually 455 MB or so, and it's not that large, and you can go through the user requirements for it. Minimum of 4 GB RAM, Windows 7, 8, 10, but mostly it's Windows 7, and that's the password. Sorry, mostly Windows 10, and click on install the software. Then you have to just wait for it. Your requested file is on the way, and before you know, it's going to download. Okay, I actually have this software downloaded on my PC, so I'm just going to cancel it straight away and go to where I've installed it. So guys, what you want to do is to extract the downloaded file. I'm going to extract here with WinRAR, then insert the password, that is 123, like we saw on the website. Then click on OK. It's as simple as that. Then it's going to extract. It's going to take a while depending on how fast or how slow your PC is. So I'm just going to wait for it. Then when you're done, open the folder where the extracted file is and then click on setup. Double click on it. Then let's wait for it to load. Alright, then you'll be greeted by the installer, as you can see, and it's just going to start installing automatically. So I'm just going to wait for it to finish installing. Okay guys, as you can see, it has finished installing. Okay guys, we are just going to close the installer. Then the next thing we want to do, click on the autoplay section, double click on it and install it again. If you don't do that, it won't download the crack. It won't install the crack. So first of all, like I did in the first session, this install the setup. Then after that, install the autoplay. As you can see, it's installing. It won't waste time. It's going to be very fast. So we'll just wait for it to install. Okay guys, you can see it has been installed successfully. So we'll just close it. So guys, you just close it and wait. Most importantly, and wait. Just leave your system for a while till it shows a message saying, okay, the crack is complete, enjoy. If it doesn't show this message, then don't commence. So guys, it's very important for you to wait. Don't engage your system in anything, just wait for a few minutes and it's going to show up. So now let's go look for it. It's in the software section. So Adobe XD, click on it and wait for it to open. Alright, so we're just going to open or create a new file. As easy as that. I'm just going to try and see whether my installation has worked successfully. So I'm just going to drag a few shapes over my artboard and see if, okay, we are done or we did the right thing. So let's just try it out. Okay, so I think I can set a center alignment. I can drag my shape around. I can do a lot of stuff, lot of cool stuff. So I guess our installation has worked successfully. So now you currently have Adobe XD 2022 on your system just for free. You can see as easy as that. You don't need to pay. You don't need to buy any license key. You can see we didn't crack anything. It's automatically did that for us. Like it automatically did everything for us. All we needed to do was just to wait. And as easy as that, that was how I actually downloaded and installed Adobe XD on my system. And that was what I used for the series. So guys, if you have not watched the series, for those of you that are new to my channel and are watching this video for the very first time, make sure you go to the prototype section on my channel. I actually made a playlist for it, so you can just go there and check and watch the video, follow. You will love it. For those of you that are actually new to prototyping, UI UX, it's a very cool thing. It's a very wonderful experience. And for those of us that followed the tutorial, I believe you had so much fun with me on that series. So guys, this is all for today. Thanks for watching this simple tutorial, and don't forget to like, share this video with your loved ones, and most importantly, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Remember, it's our YouTube channel, so we have to grow this together, and I can't do this without you. So guys, thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye guys, I love you.